Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Bluetooth not working on your MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead up here to your control panel, go to your Bluetooth settings and click on Bluetooth settings. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the I button and forget the device that you're not having problems connecting with, and then try connecting again. If that doesn't work, then what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your Finder right here. And then up here, click on Go, and then click on Go to Folders. And now simply go ahead and search for /library/preferences, click on Enter. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for the Bluetooth. Let me just go ahead and look for that. All right, you want to simply go ahead and delete this right over here. And that is about it. Once you simply go ahead and enter your password, it's going to simply reset your Bluetooth and you can restart your PC and it will work again. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.